I made over $120,000 last month using this exact business model.
I'm still a 19-year-old millionaire, so of course I help over 2,500 people with making money online with digital marketing.
So if you're interested, comment below or send me a message and I'll help you out.
Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look into the influencer side hustle culture and hustling online for extra or passive money, even though that's never really the case. But if you watch a couple of these TikToks on your profile, your feed is just going to get inundated with all of these people telling you that they make $1,000 a day. Here's how you can make $10,000 a month passively. You could make $100,000 a month with this side hustle. I mean, it just never ends. And all of it turns out to be bogus just for the influencer's gain. So we're going to go over some of the clips that I've seen recently and the tactics that these influencers use to persuade you, and in the end, how they actually make money. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but let's start out with an influencer with almost 2.5 million followers.
So as most of you know, I've been doing digital marketing, social media, all of the things for like almost 4 years now. And I'm just now learning you have to spend money to make money. I did not know how many different ways there were to make money on social media until recently. So I'm our sole provider for a family of 4. So my husband is a stay-at-home dad, and yeah, I was making enough, but it was like we were barely getting by.
So she starts this clip immediately saying you have to spend money to make money, which in the second half of this clip, you'll see why. And then she adds on that she's the breadwinner and they were barely making it by. She's got to provide for her kids, right? Even though she has almost 2.5 million followers. When you start getting into this category, the showcase or the subscription tab that she has on her account that has all the affiliate links for the products that she has in the videos ends up making these people a ton of money, let alone any of the brand deals that would be worth thousands a pop. So I can guarantee you that just getting by and being the sole breadwinner and living paycheck to paycheck is just not her reality at all. But you could see what she has to say in the second half.
So then I saw this course that you can take for digital marketing, and I started taking it. And what I've learned through this course absolutely blew my mind. Like, there are so many ways to make money through digital marketing. And if you didn't know, digital marketing is like the new thing. Like in 2025, digital marketing is the way to go. So if you're looking on like how to make money from home and through digital marketing, you definitely want to try this course out. And yes, it's kind of pricey, but you have to spend money to make money. And there also is a payment plan. And if you purchase it through me, I will be your like mentor. So like if you ever have any questions or anything, I will gladly help you out. So I'm definitely thankful that I found this course because it has definitely changed our life. And with Christmas coming, I am beyond thankful. So if you're interested, comment below or send me a message and I'll help you out.
So what she's actually trying to do is sell you a course that she herself bought. This is a little bit different than what you see normally, where it's just some sort of influencer selling their course that they're peddling. There are certain courses out there that you're allowed to buy for a specific amount of money and then basically resell to your followers, and you're able to keep that money. And it seems like that's exactly what she did. That's why she said it's pretty pricey, but you got to spend money to make money. And she's going to be your mentor. Yeah, with the 2.5 million followers, I guarantee she's going to be responding immediately to everybody's question. I mean, it's just not going to happen. The comment about digital marketing in 2025 being the way to go, as if it's a brand new thing, it's been around for so long now. This is just trying to get people in who don't know enough about the space. Trying to do this stuff online, competing with everybody who actually does it for a living and has been doing it for years, means you have virtually no chance of making money if you just jump into it because you saw this woman claim that she makes a whole bunch of money from this specific course. So all you have to do is buy it from her and you could be exactly like her. But I mean, you could look at the comments, it works. Interested, digital marketing is the best ever. Almost seems like these are bot comments. More info, please. Send me the details. Please let me know. Mom of 3. Just preying upon people who would actually need the money if any of these comments are real. And there are tons of videos like this. Where are my girls that want to be able to work from home and help bring in income? 2025 is about investing in yourself and making money moves. All you have to do is spend a whole bunch of money on my course that I didn't even make. If you've been wanting to pursue social media and digital marketing, this is your sign. I mean, I don't want to say you're too late to the game if you have something very unique to offer, but there are so many people that dedicate their lives to sitting in front of a computer all day, creating tons and tons of digital products for years and years. It's a pretty oversaturated market right now, so if you're just going to hop in with no knowledge, it's going to be a rough ride. But if you think buying that course and having to do it yourself is just too much work, you could have AI do it for you.
I'm so sick and tired of people always talking about how much money they made online, but they don't never show us how to make the money. Every time I turn around, that's all I hear, that's all I see. I literally made $14,000 in 2 weeks, and I do videos every single day showing y'all exactly how to do it. I'm sick of the complaints. I'm going to give y'all a step-by-step, and it's going to go quick, so get your pen. Step number 1, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you a list of profitable digital products. Now, step number 2, tell ChatGPT to create the product. It's literally that simple. And make sure it solves a problem. Create a guide on how to save $10,000 in 3 months. And literally, boom, done, no excuses. Step number 4, go to Canva, choose you an ebook cover, create this digital product. Now, if you need a longer tutorial, I'm teaching a live class. Comment gold and I'll send you the link to register. Bye.
It's the same video almost every time. Comment gold, comment money, comment hustle, and then I'll give you an overpriced course, and that's actually how I make my money. Nobody on the planet would have thought about this already using ChatGPT. You're the first one. It's really that easy. It'll just print money. If it did work at any point during ChatGPT's life, it has already been beaten into the ground by so many people. Again, taking advantage of people just scrolling on TikTok, having zero knowledge of the space. This woman gave me a step-by-step. I'm going to make a ton of money. I do like in the same way that other influencers will just flaunt how much wealth they have, how much they spend. We have the other side and they're just making a ridiculous amount of money in such a short period of time with just a few steps that I'm going to show you in one single TikTok.
I made over $120,000 last month using this exact business model. First step is to pick a niche. This is just a topic that you want to talk about, and for this example, I'm going to go with health and wellness. Then you're going to head to Google and search up health and wellness affiliate programs. Here are 15 of the highest paying programs in that niche. Next, scroll on through until you find one that has a high commission rate like this one right here, and then you're going to click here to sign up to get your unique affiliate link. Then head to social media and start posting content about your topic. This account doesn't even show their face, and look how many followers they have. Just be sure to put your affiliate links right in your bio. I've made over $460,000 with this in less than 8 months. To learn my exact steps, grab the free guide from my bio.
That's 3 for 3 at the end of the video, them trying to peddle their free guide, which never ends up actually telling you anything. You gotta go behind the paywall for the actual good stuff, and if you do that, most likely it still won't help you. But apparently $120,000 a month is just that easy. Again, it's not an oversaturated market at all. For every single account that you see that I guess has 140,000 followers peddling these affiliate links, you have thousands, if not tens of thousands of all the failed accounts that just never took off the ground because they're all carbon copies of each other. Most of the time, if you do see anything relatively successful, whether it be YouTube channels, Instagram pages, TikTok, those accounts were started years ago, way before the oversaturation hit, and now it's almost impossible to make this kind of money if you really could in the first place. You mean to tell me she's making almost $1.5 million a year repackaging affiliate programs and just putting it on other social media platforms? If it was really that easy, then we'd all be rich. We have a bunch of screenshots here from a traveler influencer, things I wish I knew before becoming a travel creator. Right off the bat, you don't need a travel niche account to land travel deals or followers. I started with less than 100 followers. So if you want to get travel deals from these companies, hotels, Airbnbs, wherever you're going, basically the entire transaction is I have a large following, a lot of people who would see my content. If you give me this stuff for free or even pay me, I could show my audience how nice and fancy this whole hotel is, or the resort they're staying at, country, whatever. And because of that, I could get my followers to then go travel and pay money to go to whatever I'm promoting. And that's basically the deal. So starting off with less than 100 followers, there's basically no gain for half of the transaction. So it's basically just not going to happen. Don't limit yourself to hotels and Airbnbs. You could also work with restaurants, tourism boards, excursion companies, and travel brands. I mean, ask absolutely everybody for free stuff. Because again, the travel influencers are a very small market. You know, there's barely anybody traveling around for social media. It's not oversaturated at all. Always make sure you request free breakfast and dinners for your hotel collabs. Yeah, don't want to spend a single penny. Anyone with a good travel portfolio and content skills could land travel deals. You don't need followers. That's the second time that I think that's just a blatant lie. If a certain hotel or resort really wanted good photos or videos, they would just hire a professional videographer or photographer. They wouldn't randomly strike up a deal with some Instagram influencer with less than 100 100 followers. It's just not going to happen. If you want to learn the exact steps to getting paid to travel, then join my travel UGC bootcamp. Link in the bio. We are 4 for 4 right now. So if you see a whole bunch of these creators and you do want to start bringing up your follower account to hopefully strike up these deals with the travel agencies or be able to sell your own bogus course and make a whole bunch of money, you'll start seeing sponsored posts like this on TikTok all over the place.
Growing your TikTok doesn't have to be hard. Let me explain. I went from 1,500 to over 10K using one thing, High Social. And between you and me, there's 60% off right now. High Social uses AI to connect you to your followers that actually want to see your content. And if you're serious, that means better engagement and paid brand deals. This is their biggest sale of the year, so don't sleep on it. You want to get in on this before it's gone. I'll link it below.
So what this actually is just a bunch of bot accounts that'll follow you and have fake engagement in the comment sections. Wouldn't doubt that any of these digital marketing gurus are also using these types of services to make it look like they're actually popular. But this is a surefire way to absolutely tank your account because you have to constantly pay for this fake engagement. And then as soon as you run out of money and you don't want to spend anymore, your videos that only gain maybe a couple hundred views in the end with your 10,000 or 100,000 followers looks pretty terrible on the algorithm and will never get pushed to anybody new. It'll end up doing the exact opposite effect unless you pay them forever. Just another quick screenshot that I saw how I went from broke to 400,000 in 1 year. You're one decision away from your dream life. Hashtag master resell rights, digital money, how to make money online, easy way to make money online. Legacy Builder, MRR, which is again the course reseller that you try to push onto your followers and then you just make money that way. Wi-Fi money, Legacy Builder program, side hustle, digital marketing. And we're getting pretty close to being sold this all the time by AI, not even humans anymore.
Students find a new hustle building AI influencers. So rather than getting a bar job or stacking shelves like you used to do, students are building AI influencers to make money while they study. And they're making a lot, up to £10,000 per month. Lil Michaela made $10 million last year from brand sponsorships alone, while Atana charges $10,000 per Instagram post. On top of that, you have real content creators like Karen Marjorie AI-ifying themselves and making up to 5 million in a year from doing so. Which is why students are seeing this as a brilliant way to make money while they're at university. Because not only is it a side hustle for now, but it also makes them more employable. The AI influencers they create are effectively a CV to show employers that they understand generative AI. So we're going to see more and more people doing this, setting up AI influencers as a way to build their own revenue streams and open up more career opportunities for the future.
I don't know how true that is because I know a lot of these successful AI influencers are made by huge marketing teams, if not Facebook themselves. Meta has a whole bunch of them on Instagram, on Facebook. So you being a random college student thinking that you're just going to make AI pictures looking like you're traveling to the Bahamas or you're in New York City spending a whole bunch of money, it's probably not going to make you $1 because I bet Meta would much rather push their own AI and get brand deals that way instead of trying to push your fake person. I don't doubt that it would get more popular in the future, but again, it's not nearly as easy as you think.
Despite the criticism, I'm still a 19-year-old millionaire, so of course people wonder what I do for work. I'm still a 19-year-old millionaire, so of course I have multiple sources of income, but majority of my money comes from digital marketing. I'm still a 19-year-old millionaire, so of course I help over 2,500 people with making money online with digital marketing.
We're like a third of the way through this video. I'm just going to punch out here. It's just copy and paste every time. Almost 250,000 followers on this one. Business coach, $500,000 in 31 days. Just from Instagram Reels, by the way. They just keep upping the number over and over again. Some of the comments, I got scammed so many times, but I always wanted to learn digital marketing, but keep getting scammed. There's almost 30,000 comments on this post alone. A lot of people calling out the scam as well. I mean, look at how much stuff she's trying to sell in her bio. It just gets really exhausting after a while, and if you start going down this rabbit hole, your feed just becomes filled with all of this crap non-stop. It gets really annoying. But I'm going to end it here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. YouTube thinks you'll like this video popping up on screen right now, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll talk to you guys later.